Hey Natural Beauties, Elise here, global pro artist for Too Faced, and I am bringing sexy back to natural. Who says natural has to be blah? I'm using our brand new Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This palette has a new and modern creamy formula, which I love because it makes blending effortless. I'm gonna use the darker shades in this palette to create a smoky eye look. Let's get started. The first step is to apply shadow insurance. You want this smoky eye to last, don't you? Next, apply Au Naturel in the crease using the blender brush. Warm the crease and add dimension by sweeping hookup back and forth with the all-over shadow brush. Press Risky Biz into the outer V and then blend using the contour brush. Use your ring finger to press a blend of Heaven and Au Naturel into the center lid. This will add a pop of light. Smoke hookup into the lower lash line using the all-over eyeshadow brush. Use sketch marker in black to create the perfect winged eyeliner. Add a little brightness to the inner corner by applying Heaven with the liner brush. For the final dramatic touch, I'm gonna finish off this look with 3 coats of Better Than Sex mascara. Wear it natural and own your pretty.